How to disable message deliver the mark or blue tick on your message in your Facebook Messenger. If you want to disable your blue tick on your message deliver so that no one can find that you have read the message, for that just open your messenger. Once you are on your messenger, on top left side, three horizontal lines, click on these three horizontal lines and then click on this setting icon. When you click on this setting icon, scroll down and you will see here an option called privacy and safety. Simply click on privacy and safety. When you click on this, scroll down again. At the bottom you can see the option called what people see. The first one is read receipt. Simply click on read receipt. When you click on this, now this is the main option that you want to disable or enable. If you want someone to send you a message and when you see that message it will find out, then you have to enable this. But if you want no one can know that you have read the message, that you blue tick or deliver the mark you want to disable, then you have to disable this option. So just disable this. When you disable this, now no one can find that you have read their message on your Facebook Messenger.